Welcome to Layla, the global marketplace for semiconductor parts and equipment. This is an introductory video on how to use the demand function on Layla as a buyer. First, what is the demand function? Demand function is Layla's unique item sourcing method. It allows the buyer to reach multiple sellers around the globe effortlessly. How does the demand function work? If you don't find what you are looking for on Layla, you can send a request to the registered sellers on the platform. When you send a request through the demand function, all the sellers that have items in your category will automatically be notified about your posting, and they can see if they are able to provide you with the item. As a buyer, you will receive offers from sellers and can then choose the best option for you. The offers that you will receive by using the demand function will be exclusively made for you. This means that no other buyers on Layla will be able to see these items for a set time. Let's go through the process. First, open the Layla page and click on My Layla. Under the My Page menu, click on the Submit Demand Information button. Input the information of the item you are after. Depending on what you are looking for, some of the fields will be automatically filled according to the information you input. You can always check the user terms of the demand function from the button at the bottom of the page. Once you have input all the necessary information, click on Next and then on Register to post your request. This will send a notification to the sellers registered on Layla. You will be notified on your email when a seller has replied to your item request. To view and check the item a seller is offering to you, go to My Page menu and click on the Check Supply Status. Click on the information you have provided while making the request, and you will be able to view the information of the items that are being offered to you. You will also be able to see how many hours you have left to exclusively view this item before it becomes a public listing on Layla. Click on the product details to view the detailed information of the offered item. If you are happy with the offer, you can proceed to purchase. Using the demand function enables you to outsource your search efforts directly to suppliers. You can wait for sellers to approach you with their offers. Thank you for using Layla. If you have any questions, our customer support team is always more than happy to assist you. Please do not hesitate to contact us.